Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford. Welcome to Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche. Today, Wednesday, I was wandering around, saw some really interesting Porsche. Thought it was time I showed you around the whole shop. Come with me, take a look. First stop, just in for an MOT. Car I've never seen before. 991 limited edition. Love the graphics on it. So saw that outside my office, thought wow. And then we'll go into the reception. Into the reception where the lovely Charlotte operates. There she is. Hi Charlotte. We got the 930 that we've made the full restoration on. 1977 Real Martini, one of 3 factory cars. Got to show you the inside. The inside on this is wicked, and took an awful lot of work to get right. Look at that. Need sunglasses inside. Fantastic. Now, quick little look in the showroom with a normal variety of almost every Porsche under the sun. So we got a gent there looking to sell his 997. We've already Bose scoped it, so we know that the engine's good on it. And sadly we had to reject one on the same issue. It's a hidden issue just this week. I rather like these 2 Targas, they're a bit special. Got a plan for that car being hatched at 1:30 today. I'm hoping that is going to go to Italy for a little bit of an adventure. More on that anon. From 968, rarely seen, sold really quickly. This one is a really nice sort of singerish style 993. We can do this type of work. This one's come in to have some mechanical work dealt with. Workshop is looking busy over on the MOT ramp. We get quite a few transaxle cars in. They're very welcome. 944 looking quite nice on its wheels. And someone's very nice Targa up on the ramp. Ian doing his magic on a 993. Let's take a look up in the restoration. The 67 short wheelbase car, which will be going up for sale anytime soon. Really original example. Original panels, never restored. Original colour. Super nice car. Just want to show you this. It's a 67 with a sunroof, something like 200, and I think it was 238, I believe, to have been made with a factory sunroof. Very, very unusual. Beside it is 71 that we've just built in the most gorgeous colour. I'll be showing you more of that anon. That's a reimagined car. And in the restoration, Graham there is doing work to put back together on the very earliest short wheelbase soft window Targas. It's looking really, really good. It sort of looks like early stages, but in fact it's the bodies that take the longest time and are critical to the mission. So the body's been done. I'll show you a body that's in the process. A little bit of mechanical work being done to a 911E there. Some upgrades being done to this white 3.2. A moderate restoration being done to this 911 SC Cabrio. Rare car, only built for a month, those cars. Right at the end of 911 SC production. Got a 911S, engine build room in there. And let me quickly peek in to the dirty room where you can see how they sometimes arrive. Now this car was arrived and it was supposed to be ready for paint, but the reality is that there was hardly anything left of it, look. It is not unusual, a lot of this work was covered. So we got Paul in here, skillfully putting it back to the way it once was. So that's a very brief look around the shop, and hope you enjoyed it. We look after all sorts of things here. Anything with a Porsche badge on it is welcome. We do all the regular maintenance, the buying and selling, the restorations, the engine rebuilds, the bodies. We'll do big work, small work, and we welcome it all. Everything from the earliest 356 through. If you think we can help you, please get in touch here at Williams Crawford. If you've got an interest in Porsche, or you know of an interest in Porsche that you'd like sold, we really want to hear about that. So just ping me an email or give us a tinkle. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.